1, 2, 3 huskies, which means lots of fur. So we're gonna give this pretty cool tool a try. What do you think? You wanna try it? You wanna check it out? Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we are doing a review of this pet hair remover from dancemoon. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is not a chew toy, ma'am. It's not a chew toy. We're gonna try to see how much of your floofs, I'll just use it on you, right? How much of your floofs it's gonna get off. She's like, no, it's not for me. All right, let's see, where do we start? So you can see it's kind of got a little angle on it. You hold it like this, and you push down. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this! Oh, Jamie's gonna be so excited. Look at how much fur. He just vacuumed not long ago too. Look at this line of fur that it's getting off of here. This is so crazy. Oh, I want to try it on the carpet. Let's try it on the carpet. I feel like it's always really surprising to see just how much fur, oh my goodness, look at this, gets left behind in the carpet even after you vacuum. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this line of floof. So much floofs. Is this your floofs? You can have it back, ma'am. You can have it back. That is so cool. And you can use this on all different things, on rugs, on dog beds, on your couch, and it is just gonna get all of that extra fur out of your carpets. This is so cool. Look at this pile I got just from the few seconds. Look, I didn't even pause the video. Just the few seconds of you guys watching me do this. Oh, how cool is it? It's kind of hard to tell, but you can see it's got kind of like little, I don't want to call them blades because it's not. This is like almost like silicone. So this is not sharp, I should note. Not sharp at all. Not sharp at all. So it's kind of like a little silicone blades. And you can do it this way, or you can do it this way. This way feels the best. This way makes it feel the easiest. Bless you, dog. Bless you. How cool is this? Can I try it on your dog bed? Can I? So this dog bed on the outside, she's laying in the bed wrong, but on the outside here, you can see there's a little bit of fur here. This is a different type of material on this bed. You can kind of hear the difference, but look, it's doing it. It's pulling the fur up and making it in a nice little pile. Oh my goodness, this is the coolest thing. Can I use it on you? Can I just get the fur out at the source? No? She's like, no, Mom. No, I don't think so. What do you think of this thing, Kira? Look at this. This is so crazy. How much it's getting out of the rug. You can see the pile that I worked on just a second ago. I'll just put that in that same pile. Look at that. Look at that. So, in conclusion, this is awesome. This is going to work great inside the car, too. Like, I feel like this is going to be one of those things to help get all the dog hair out of the inside of our car and our RV. It's going to be amazing. If you guys are looking for a super easy way to get even more fur out of your carpets, off of your furniture, out of your car, in a really easy way, this is awesome. Like I said, it's not sharp. These are not blades, which I really, really like, that it's so soft and so easy to use. What do you think? You recommend this? She's like, I recommend it. I'm going to try using it on your head, okay? Thanks. Does that work? She's like, oh, man, that feels pretty good. I like it a lot. Oh, that feels amazing. Do you recommend this, Eleanor? It's like, whoa. I messed up your fur. Hold on, let me put it back. There you go. We recommend this.